Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of modern hearing aid technology. Hearing aids are sophisticated devices designed to improve hearing for those with hearing loss. They are far more advanced than simple sound amplifiers. Hearing loss can significantly impact communication and quality of life. Understanding the technology is the first step toward better hearing. Modern hearing aids offer clear, personalized sound experiences, tackling the challenges of different listening environments. Let's explore the core components that make these devices work: the microphone, amplifier, and receiver. The microphone is the entry point, capturing sound waves from the environment and converting them into electrical signals. The amplifier processes these signals, boosting the volume specifically for the individual's hearing loss, using sophisticated digital algorithms. The receiver, or speaker, converts the amplified electrical signals back into sound waves, delivering them directly into the ear canal. Beyond the basic components, modern hearing aids are packed with advanced digital features for enhanced performance. Features like noise reduction and cancellation intelligently filter out background noise, making speech clearer in busy environments. Directional microphones automatically focus on sound coming from in front, improving understanding in noisy places by minimizing surrounding distractions. Many modern aids feature Bluetooth, allowing seamless streaming of audio from smartphones, TVs, and other devices directly to your ears. Hearing aids come in various styles, each designed for different degrees of hearing loss and user preferences for aesthetics and comfort. Behind the ear, or BTE, models are larger, sitting behind the ear with sound channeled via a tube to an ear mold or dome. In the ear, or ITE, devices are custom-made to fit completely within the outer ear bowl, offering a more discreet profile. Invisible in canal, or IIC, aids are the smallest, sitting deep inside the ear canal for maximum invisibility. Modern hearing aids are truly transforming lives, making the world of sound accessible and enjoyable once again. The future promises even smarter, smaller, and more connected devices, with potential for AI integration and personalized audio experiences. If you or a loved one is considering hearing aids, consult an audiologist to find the right technology and fit for your needs.